Beenie Man, Elephant Man, two legends in the dancehall industry, now going tit for tat. Why did Elephant Man respond? And why did Beenie Man throw the first shot? I sat with Elephant to get his side.
So Elephant, what is it that you and Beenie Man have?
Anthony, let me stop you there. Me and Beenie Man have nothing. But Beenie Man full of bad mind. When God give you a bad mind, Beenie Man there front of the line with the hand stretch out for about 5 minutes. That's a collector. You remember him talk when him have more #1 than Bob Marley, you know, and war with killer for more than half of his life. And then 2 twos now when you check it out, him start par behind Kartel so much till he can tell you how Kartel poop them smell. If Kartel poop, him can tell you if it's white rice or rice and peas him eat. Beenie Man is not an artist, he's a professional poop smeller. I saw them on the program, Anthony. I don't know what you talk about. What Beenie Man have over me? What Beenie Man have over me when me not have?
I honestly couldn't say, but he's making claims that you're a bad mind.
Let me tell you something. Beenie